Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is meestergee, and my reaction for that time I got reincarnated as a slime, Tensei Shitara slime, datta-ken episode 24. So, this is the last episode. I mean, at the time I'm downloading and I'm recording my this reaction, there is the episode 25 or 24.5. I don't know. I mean, they say it's a recap, but it is a very interesting recap. So maybe I'm gonna watch it at this video too. So basically, there's gonna be two episodes reaction in this video because if it's a recap, then I'm not gonna record too much of it. I'm gonna edit it all out of it. I'm gonna just scrap it. Just leave it the important part. Anyway, I want to finish slime, because yeah, the new season is coming up, and I think I got another three anime that I'm gonna react to um, to to change my lineup. Whatever I'm trying to say. So, okay, episode 24. I think at the last episode already, we kind of already wrap things up. So I don't know what's left in the story, in the episode 24. Anyway, let's jump straight into the reaction and see what happens. 3, 2, 1, play. Alright, that's a red moon. Who will play? Okay. That's a shock. Who are these people? This person is the one that at the last episode. Isn't it? Isn't he? Masa nih? Alright. So, he's a demon. Oh, shit. That's dark. Are you sure this is the last episode? And the episode after this is the recap, because why the things starting to go dark. Either way, the opening still playing, and I don't really like this opening, so I still gonna skip it. So maybe Black and the Mask. Oh wait, this is that's Caesar. Is this her story? So this is in the past. Oh, I start to get it. That's why um, the demon at the beginning of the episode is kinda new about Shizu. His name is Cougar. Really, I'm glad it's not a girl or a woman. Mm-hmm. None that those two. Who are you? Oh, that the two on the beginning. The interior of the room. It's so familiar. But I don't think from anime. Anyway. Oh, so you just gonna kill the person that you ask for help? Wow, that's kind of stupid. Okay, okay, all right. So why can't I leave then? Hmm. Hmm. You need to answer that. Oh, so even so, it is really that strong. Yep. Like you guys just like freaking. Whoa, whoa. What the fuck? All right, that's cool. That's cool sequence right there. So, explain yourself. You should say that before at first, you know. So that's really a bad way to manage a situation. So how they knew that the one that gonna live have the demon power. Ah, that's the demon. Yeah, that's very weird things to see, to say. Oh, yeah. I mean, how the way they knew about that? I mean, reasonable. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What a cliche name, Blackie. All right, let's see the action then. I mean, you're throwing a fire at someone that have flame attribute. I mean, Shisu's not gonna die here. Whoa, whoa, nice. Mm-hmm. Nice. Oh, so it kinda have an effect to him. Oh, so that mask also have a very powerful armor. All right. Really? Ah, the two silver wings is the one that summoned him. At least one of them, and they die as a payment. Heretical. Ah, so there are sentai. Ah, that's the one. No. Yeah, so, yeah, they basically a sentai, the demon sentai team. There are only three. It would be nice if there is five of them, and then do the sentai roll call. You guys are weak. What do you know about the battle of the strongest one? Be careful, girl. Be careful. There's something fishy about this. That's the minister. That's the king, and who's on the middle then? Is that the... Oh, so he's the king. That's very weird drawing right there. So you guys gonna eat her? Um, I mean, that kind of already predictable from the start. Yeah. Hmm. Well, you're gonna end as a death demon. Whoa. Ah, oh. Yeah. Oh. I think the Kuro demon is gonna came and save her. Nah, see? I mean, it's his contract. Whoa! Yeah, fulfill your contract, man. Up. Damn. Why this kind of story is not happening at at the few episode before? I mean, he's like the, what is the calling again? Progestiator? I don't know. Yeah, he's one of the sentai demon. Oh, oh, oh. That's that's great. I didn't expect this to be this great. All right, all right. Oh, why he's carrying a saint cloth? Is a came from sanctuary or something? Oh, all right. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, 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 okay. Episode 24. That's hype. Like that's great. I mean, that's one way to build up hype, and I mean, so that's his gonna become another of Rimuru underling or something, and either way, that's really great, I mean, but I think it's better if he's become a kind of an antagonist first, so Rimuru have a battle for him. Either way, so that's gonna be our main storyline for the next season, I assume. So, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's really a great bait. That's really great teasing to us right there. So the action and the way the demon fighting at the last scene is makes me wonder why they didn't do that kind of stuff at the the fighting at the regular episode. The one fight scene that really actually there is two fight scene that really stand up um, uh, in this season of Slime. The one when Rimuru fighting Ifrit, and the one when Rimuru fighting the Orc Demon Lord. Other than that, it's kind of like just uh, it's not really stand up. I mean, the animation is cool, but it's not really have the emotional value to it. That's one make fighting scene good, not just because it have a great animation and stuff, but it's also have a good emotional value that attached to it. So yeah. Oh, now I kind of wish that this doesn't end at the episode 24. I kind of wish that it go through an episode 39 or something. Anyway, that's really great. So that's my reaction for episode 24 of Tensei Shitara Slime datta-ken. And that time I got reincarnated as a slime. I'm gonna watch also the episode 24.5, but I'm gonna take break. So, adios.
はじめまして。俺はスライムのリムル。悪いスライムじゃないよ。
Hello, welcome back. And the leftover reaction for Tensei Shitara Slime datta-ken episode 24.5. So this is the recap episode, and it's titled Feldora something. I mean, but so it gonna be Feldora. That's gonna be the main focus of the episode, or maybe it is recap from the perspective of Feldora. So. All right. People told me that this is an interesting recap episode. I don't like recap episode, as almost everyone in this planet. I mean, I think there's only a little bit of percentage of people that love watching recap episode. Yeah, I mean, if the recap is good and creative, I may react to it and see. But anyway, let's just see if. I think I'm gonna cut a lot of it. I'm gonna edit it because if it's too many recap, then I'm not gonna upload it. I mean, yeah. So this is yeah. Let's just see what happens. Talking too much again. Play. Okay, that's the Ifrit. Oh, yeah, I mean, that's the battle between Rimuru and Ifrit.
Unique skill. 捕食者を使用しますか? Yes.
Rimuru basically it that fire Ifrit. And in turn saves Shizu from destruction because she's old. Yeah, Ifrit have also meet Feldora. You cannot break free from this space. Ooh, oh. Sworn friend. Shouldn't you say kinda it's Rimuru is kinda your brother? Sundara Dragon. So are they gonna fight every day? Oh, so the true dragon is the strongest being. Alright. No, he needs a friend to talk. What? Ah, all right. Why is suddenly becoming what's the shogi anime name again? Uh, Damn, I forgot. Yeah, I mean, Ferrara is just lonely, man. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Opening. Hmm. Feldora's journal. So far, it's not like a recap episode. I mean, the image is recap the way Rimuru's how he reincarnated, but why there? Ah, now the recap starting. Yeah, I mean, so that mask is really something that being passed down from generation to generation. I mean, the way they uh, and the image and the word that they're saying are not match up at all. So it's really threw me off. So yeah. Okay, okay, that's funny. That's funny. It's more like a freaking a podcast or something, you know. I mean, you're naming Rimuru. Hmm. So this ne. Oh. uh, in other words, you're exciting to talk with Rimuru. Yeah. Yeah, if it doesn't have concept of that. Okie dokie. Ah, so he basically also baiting Rimuru to came to him. Ah, mm, true. Oh, 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 that's really, really. You're like a freaking middle schooler. Yeah, I mean, that's the moment that's kind of sold everyone, you know. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Do you like talking that way? Cinderella Dragon. Really, this is more like a podcast or something, you know, while they're talking. So while I find this interesting, I think I'm gonna cut it here. And this is a recap. Yeah, of course they make interesting things and all. So, but still, I'm gonna cut it up and see you at the end. I guess I'm still gonna watch it after finishing watching it, but there's not gonna be much reaction besides I'm just smiling, grinning like stupid people here. So, okay, I mean, hello. There's a lot of things that I think I should record the way uh, I react to that. But I mean, this is a great uh, recap episode. Somehow it kind of reminds me of the way Gintama doing their stupid things at the end of, I forget what season it is, when they almost get canceled, you know, and there's only a static image and they're talking about behind it. So yeah, ending song. So I mean, there's a lot of new information also that I think we're not get in the regular series, but we get here that there is two disciple of Shizu. I didn't catch that. I don't know if we get that in the regular airing. Um, so yeah, there's two disciple before those kids. I mean, one of them is the leader Yuki, and yeah, what Yuki Kagurasaka. Yeah, the one that Rimuru encounter when he first come to the kingdom in Ingracia. Anyway, there's another student, a disciple, which is kind of stronger than Rimuru. By the way, if it's saying, I mean, it's kind of hard to reacting. This is basically reacting to two things at the same time. You know, for me, I mean, because the image are different and the audio is different. So and I need to. I also talking, so it's a multitasking. Multitasking at a high level, at least for me, personally, I cannot really do that kind of stuff, So yeah, that's the end of slime. So I guess we're gonna get another season, and either next year or 2 years. I don't know. Um, uh, Overall, this anime series are okay, I guess. I think it is start great. If I'm gonna give him a score, it start at 8.5 out of 10, and when it comes to the middle episodes, it kind of down, and with this occasionally spike up, and it finished okay, if it is start in 8.5, it is end at 7. So yeah, average in 7.5, 7.75, something like that, if I'm gonna give it a score. So yeah, overall it's interesting story about a guy who reincarnated as a slime, as the title said. So I think the way that episode 24 ended with very interesting uh, teaser about the new character, which is gonna be named Diablo. It is the thing that I'm kind of interested about. So I hope it's live up to the hype. So, and also I hope they get much more bigger budget, maybe, so they can fix a lot of animation issue at the. I mean, this series is pretty well animated. I mean, it's standard, but there's a lot of time that it felt cheap, I guess, the animation and all, and uh, it doesn't really bother me anyway. But the thing that I felt bad about is the pacing of the story, because somehow it felt fast and slow at the same time. There's always that kind of story which is you don't really know if it's a fast-paced story, or is it too slow because it is not much really happening. I think because Trimur is freaking OP and there's not much threat to him, so yeah, there is not much something to be worried about Rimuru, and the other character also doesn't really have much personality to, so for me at least, to attach to care about. I mean, I'm basically care about Rimuru and Feldora and Shizu, but because Feldora is inside of Rimuru all the time, and Shizu is kind of just already dead. I guess we're gonna see her backstory here and there, but still, there's not much things that you can worry about, about the main character. So the story is felt there's so much happening, but there's not much threat to Rimuru. So it felt fast and slow at the same time. So yeah, that's I guess my reaction of Tensei Shitara Slime datta-ken. Like my video if you like my reaction, comment below what you think, and if it's worth your time, of course subscribe if you want, and see you next season.